Welcome to the Decor Lab. Today, we are going to show you how to transform your living room into a luxurious space without breaking the bank. Yes, you heard that right, affordable luxury is possible, and it's easier than you think. Let's dive into some simple but effective ideas to elevate your living room on a budget. Focal point, feature wall. Let's start with a focal point, a feature wall. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to make a statement is by creating a feature wall. You can go for textured paint, removable wallpaper, or even DIY art. A bold, dramatic color or a simple, elegant texture can instantly elevate the feel of your space. If you're feeling creative, try a gallery wall with affordable frames and prints. You can easily find these online or even create your own artwork for a personalized touch. Budget-friendly furniture. Next, let's talk about furniture. You don't need to buy expensive designer pieces to achieve a luxurious look. Look for sleek, timeless furniture with clean lines. A table or a plush, comfortable sofa can go a long way in making your living room feel sophisticated. Thrift stores and online marketplaces are great places to find hidden gems at a fraction of the price. You can also consider budget-friendly stores like IKEA, where you can find modern, high-quality furniture without overspending. A minimalist coffee table or a plush, comfortable sofa can go a long way in making your living room feel sophisticated. Layering textures and fabrics. Now let's talk about texture. Layering different textures can add a luxurious and cozy feel to your living room. Think about throw blankets, decorative pillows, and area rugs. You can mix and match velvet, faux fur, cotton, and even silk to create depth and richness. The best part? You don't need to buy expensive fabrics, affordable options can look just as elegant. Consider an area rug that anchors the space or beautiful curtains that add height and drama to your room. Lighting for ambience. Lighting is key to creating a luxurious atmosphere. Swap out harsh overhead lights for softer, ambient lighting. Floor lamps, table lamps, and even string lights can help create a warm, inviting glow. Candles are also a fantastic and inexpensive way to add both light and elegance. Look for unique lamp designs or candle holders that add an artistic touch to your space. Remember, lighting sets the mood, so choose wisely to make your living room feel both cozy and chic. Accessories and greenery. Accessories can tie your entire look together. Small touches like decorative vases, trays, and stylish books can make a big difference. Look for pieces that match your color scheme and style, and don't be afraid to mix modern with vintage finds. Plants are another fantastic way to bring life and luxury into your space. Whether it's a large potted plant or small succulents, greenery adds a fresh, natural touch to any room. The best part? Plants are affordable and instantly brighten up your living room. And there you have it, affordable luxury in your living room. With a few smart choices, you can create a stunning space without overspending. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more budget-friendly design ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on *10 Ken Kwa Ban.